Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best portable car jump starters in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 9. Nextbow 1500A battery starter. This recommendation packs plenty of modern features, including USB Type-C support and Quick Charge 3.0. Those features come in handy when you're using this device as a portable battery bank, but how is it when it comes to jump-starting car batteries? Well, it claims to offer 1,500 amps of peak power and a 21,800 mAh capacity, capable of starting vehicles with up to 6.5-liter gasoline engines and 4.0-liter diesel engines. And with that large a capacity, it is capable of 30 jump starts on a single charge. You could just about fit this small battery jump starter in your pocket, at 9 by 3.4 by 1.2 inches, and under 3 pounds. A pair of standard USB ports join the USB Type-C port, allowing you to top off all your devices no matter the connection you require. Not surprisingly, there's also a built-in LED flashlight with a blinking SOS mode for emergencies. Safety features on this device include spark-proof protection, reverse polarity protection, overcurrent protection, high-temperature protection, and overload protection. That means not having to worry about accidentally hooking up the cables incorrectly, since the device will warn you if that happens. Number 8. Michelin Power Source XR1 Portable Jump Starter. You've likely heard of the Michelin brand before, if you've ever shopped for new tires for your car. The company also offers a portable jump starter, boasting 1,000 peak amps and 300 cranking amps. It's a versatile option, with a built-in power inverter to provide you AC power when you're on the go. The power inverter has a 200-watt rating and 400-watt surge capability, allowing you to power devices such as a DVD player, small blender, fan, and more. Given that Michelin specializes in manufacturing tires, it's also little surprise this portable jump starter has a built-in tire inflator. It's a 260 psi compressor that will do a good enough job inflating your tires in an emergency. And if you're planning to go camping, not only does the power inverter come in handy, but this option can also serve as a digital Bluetooth radio. Stream your favorite music or audio from your phone or music player straight to speakers on the jump starter, or you can connect your device through the auxiliary input port. On the outside, the case is constructed from resilient, high-impact plastic that is designed for safety and maximum durability. It is then wrapped in a rubber tire tread armor for additional protection against bumps and drops. The top features a non-slip grip handle so you can easily transport this to and from your vehicle. Number 7. Viking 1700 Peak Amp Portable Jump Starter and Power Pack. Viking offers battery packs for jumping a car from this 1700 amp model up to a 3400 amp unit, but battery jump starters get bigger and most importantly heavier the more powerful they are, so unless you need to start large diesel engines, this should be all the jump starter most people need. It's rated at 550 cold cranking amps, which is comparable to many actual car batteries, helping turn even a big engine over at full speed for a long time. Built in a rugged case with molded top carrying handle, the Viking Portable Jump Starter and Power Pack weighs a hefty 26 pounds, thanks to its big, 22,000 mAh lead-acid battery. It's a compact unit for the power, though, at 14 inches wide overall, 16 inches high and only 4 inches deep. Along with big weight come big power and features, like 55-inch, 2 AWG leads, ultra bright, 5-mode, 6 LED array, DC power port, and USB port. We really like the recessed port for charging the jump box from the wall outlet, and master disconnect switch that ensures there's no power to the jump leads when you don't want it. If you're going to be jumping a car in cold conditions, or you just want to be sure you can crank any engine, the Viking Portable Jump Starter and Power Pack is an excellent choice. Number 6. Clore Automotive Jump and Carry Jump Starter. Another more traditional portable jumper is the Clore Automotive Jump and Carry Starter. Offering 425 cranking amps and 1,700 peak amps, this portable starter features Performer battery technology, which is designed to provide extremely high power output, extended cranking power, and a long service life. Included with this charger are 46-inch, heavy-duty No. 2 AWG copper insulated cables with industrial-grade hot jaw clamps. While it's not as modern as other jump starters on this list with no USB outlets, this product does have a 12-volt power output to power a variety of accessories. There is also a voltmeter on the front so you can check the status of the battery inside the starter. This jump starter is ideal for vehicle owners who need something more durable. It's housed in a heavy-duty case that is impervious to shop fluids and is designed to withstand the rigors of everyday professional use. There is also a nice handle, making it easy to carry around. Number 5. Hultman Alpha 85 Jump Starter. If you plan on using your portable jump starter as a battery charger for your mobile devices, you'll want a device that recharges quickly. This way, it's always ready to jump-start your vehicle as well as keeping your smartphone topped off. For this, we turn our attention to Hultman's Alpha 85 Jump Starter that features the company's patented 65-watt speed charge, which can fully charge the jump starter from 0% to 100% in under 1.5 hours. The company says just over 20% of power is enough to start your car if necessary. The starter itself offers 2000 peak cranking amps, allowing it to jumpstart vehicles with up to an 8.5-liter gasoline engine or a 6.0-liter diesel engine. Hultman claims this option can jumpstart 60 times on a single charge. Internally, it's a 20,000 mAh battery bank and you get the added bonus of a 12-volt port to power any of your DC devices, like a portable tire inflator. There's also a built-in flashlight with 3 modes and a 3.3-inch screen that displays status information. All of this is housed in a rugged enclosure that boasts IP65 resistance, which makes it resistant to rain, dust, and drops. Hultman also includes a 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support. Number 4. Best for large vehicles, Stanley Jump Starter. While it's not as portable as the other jump starters we've looked at so far on the list, the Stanley Power Station Jump Starter offers 1,000 peak and 500 instant amps along with a very convenient built-in 120 psi air compressor. This is more of a heavy-duty jump starter geared toward truck owners with larger engines under the hood. What it does have in common with the other portable jump starters is that it features a USB port and a 12-volt DC outlet so you can charge other devices with it. There is also a built-in LED light that swivels 270 degrees, allowing you to adjust it without needing to move the jump box. It can also serve as an emergency air compressor with a brass-tipped sure-fit nozzle for secure connections. For additional safety, this jumper has a reverse polarity alarm that will alert the user if there's an improper connection. It's extremely easy to use. Simply attach the clamps to the battery, turn on the switch, and start your vehicle. Just keep in mind this is a larger jump starter, tipping the scale at nearly 18 pounds while measuring 11.2 by 8 by 13.5 inches. Number 3. Schumacher SL1316 Lithium-ion Jump. Ideal for power sports, motorcycles and 4 to 8-cylinder cars, the Schumacher SL1316 1000 A lithium-ion jump starter and portable power pack provides a quick jump start when you need it. With a reputation for reliability, Schumacher Electric's line of lithium jump starters feature high-quality components and advanced technology. The SL1316's powerful internal lithium-ion battery will support up to 30 jump starts on a single charge and will deliver 1000 peak amps of jump starting power. The unit's compact size means it will easily fit in your glove compartment or center console. Plus, it is TSA checkpoint friendly and 75% lighter than jump starters with a traditional lead-acid battery. Note: proper battery care and maintenance is essential for safe operation and battery longevity. Charge the battery immediately after purchase, after each use, and every 3 to 6 months to prolong battery life and prevent battery damage. Charge battery to full capacity before storage and store the unit at temperatures between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Never completely discharge the battery. A heavily discharged battery can become enlarged or suffer other damage. For more information on battery care and maintenance, please consult the SL1316 user manual. Number 2. Versatile and powerful, Auto 2000 A portable jump starter. We got our hands on the Auto 2000 A portable jump starter a while back, and came away impressed. You can read our complete review here. This recommendation offers 2000 amps peak current and has a 20,000 mAh battery capacity with USB-C support. Testing it on a 1.5-liter Honda Fit was well under its real capacities, as Audi claims it's capable of jump-starting gasoline engines of any size and diesel engines up to 8.5 liters, making it one of the most versatile offerings out there. Sporting a sleek design, this portable jump starter even comes with a cigarette lighter adapter, allowing you to power 12-volt accessories straight from the unit itself. It comes with a durable, hard-carrying case and several accessories including a pair of USB cables and a wall adapter for charging the auto jump starter. A built-in LED flashlight is a common feature on many of these devices, and Audi's particular offering has 3 modes: normal, strobe, and SOS. The top of the unit features a large acrylic lens that protects an LCD display, which shows remaining battery life on the jump starter and whether or not it's hooked up to another device. If we had any complaints, the display is a bit dim in broad daylight and the jumper cables are on the shorter side, but that's by design to ensure jump starting capabilities, according to Audi, as you need thicker cables for longer distances. Number 1. Promoted product, Gula 1200A GP37 Plus. While the name Gula may sound like something you'd hear a baby say, this brand makes some excellent portable jump starters that pack a serious punch. Perhaps the most popular in the entire lineup is the Gula GP37 Plus. Affordable, powerful, and impressively compact, the GP37 Plus doles out 1200A peak current amps, which allows it to jumpstart most 12V vehicles with up to a 7.0L gas or 5.5L diesel engine. On top of that, it works as a 12V 10A DC power source, perfect for powering tire inflators, car coolers, and a whole lot more. Of course, you can also use the Gula GP37 Plus to power up your electronic devices using its quick-charging USB 3.0 output port. And in an emergency, you can take advantage of its built-in LED flashlight. The flashlight has 3 settings: normal, strobe, and SOS. Small enough to fit easily in any glove box, the Gula GP37 Plus will be there when you need it. It charges up in just 5 hours and can hold a charge for 3 months. This package comes with the GP37 Plus portable jump starter, smart jumper clamps, wall charger, car charger, USB to Type-C quick charge cable, carrying case, and user manual.